We'll guide you through how to download DaVinci Resolve in just a few easy steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and navigate to the official Blackmagic Design website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Support tab at the top and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can find downloads and support information. Scroll down a little until you see the latest downloads section. Here, you'll find DaVinci Resolve listed among other software. You'll notice there are two versions, DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. The Studio version is the paid one with extra features, but if you're just starting out or want to try it for free, click on the regular DaVinci Resolve version. After clicking, you'll see options for different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Select the one that matches your computer. A form will pop up asking for your details like name, email, and country. Fill this out, then hit the Register and Download button. The download should start immediately. Once it's finished downloading, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. It's a straightforward process. Just make sure to agree to the terms and conditions and choose your preferred installation location if prompted. After the installation is complete, you can open DaVinci Resolve from your Applications folder or desktop shortcut. And there you have it. You're ready to start editing with one of the most powerful video editing tools available. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.